Hello everybody, CD59 here. Boy, I've been chomping at the bit for a long time. I got the 6.5 PRC, the Mauser M-18 out. First warm day, not warm, but it's about 35. Can actually put up with a little bit of this. I got 3 different loads here. 2 of them are factory. This is, where's it at? The 143 grain ELDX Hornady Precision, and I'm just shooting this up to get some fire form cases, but I want to get some before and after. The stock, you guys know I like wood, but you get into good synthetics, fiberglass, Kevlar, they make it out of all kinds of stuff. This is just a plastic, but there's different grades of it. And this thing is stiff, very, very rigid. I think it's going to glass bed well. I've done a little looking. Nobody that I have found has a aftermarket, laminate, wood, whatever. So maybe I can get by with this. And I'll maintain a relatively lightweight rifle. We're going to dump 3 of these down here. And then I got a... this was 143X, this is 147 match, Hornady match, and then I got 3 loaded up with Reloader 25. Those are 143Xs also. Let's give her hell. I shot a box of 20 the first time I had this down here. And I didn't think it recoiled all that bad. Today, maybe I just don't have as much clothes on or something, but it seems like it's got a little bit more snap to it. Still tolerable. Yeah, that ain't good. That ain't good at all. Probably 1.25 inches between them two. And maybe 1/4 inch of paper between the last 2. I don't have a camera down there. There's about, now we're probably down to 6-8 inches of snow right now. Which I hope it melts slowly. If you listen to anything I said last year, you probably got tired of me telling you we're in the middle of a frickin' flood. A lot of our creeks and rivers stayed at flood stage all winter long. Weird, huh? Thinking about shooting one that's 35. You don't have to worry too much about barrel heat. Them are probably 3/4 center to center on them 2. And that one opened up a little bit. Come out of there. I haven't quite got everything I need for reloading this yet. Come on, open there, you damn thing. But, whoops, what did I just do? I got this completely backward. I thought I had them in order, I did not. Okay, yeah, I shot this one and I shot this one. We are down to what I say, 143 grain ELDX with 57 grains of Reloader 25. You know, they say the best powder for this thing, Reloader 26 or H1000. There's so many of these things out there right now, and I guess some powders also burn in the 6.5 Creedmoor really, really well. It's virtually impossible to come and walk in the store and buy any. I just loaded these overall length, the same that these were. I don't have any length gauges for it yet. And we're still not warm. Warm, not hot, just a little warm. And this will be the far right target. Doing about the same as them other two, it looks like. 3/4 inch maybe. And 2 touching. That's the best 3 shots of the 3 different loads. Let's go down there and grab that target and take a better look at them. Okay, there we are back down in the cave today with the bright sun, snow, and sunglasses out on the field. I couldn't see what the hell I was looking at here. So we're in the cave and I'm going to show you these pictures I shot. Didn't do all that great today. This is the 143 grain ELDX Hornady Precision Hunter, 1.5 inch. The 147 ELD Match, 1.5 inch. The hand load I had, 57 grains of Reloader 25 on a 143 ELDX, 1 3/8. Didn't shoot it very good today. It was probably me, cold fingers, whatnot. But you know, on the original date out, I shot an entire box of this stuff right here up. 3 and 4 shot groups, ran basically 3/4 inch. One of them went out a 4 shot group, 1.1/8, 1.25 inch. Stretch horizontally. What's interesting though, you take the good ones, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, 3/8 inch. I think the thing is going to shoot. Okay, we finally got out and got this thing on paper, got some groups that printed with it. Not very good, not as good as they were the first time I was out, but could have been me, probably was. Anyway, it's time. I'm going to bed this thing. There's no other stocks commercially available that I'm aware of. More of them get on the market. I'm sure manufacturers will jump on the bandwagon and start making them, but it's not very heavy. That's one plus. Maybe I'll just stick to a lightweight hunting rifle. I do like wood, but this one will work. If it works good, I'm going to leave it. Tomorrow, the wind, rain, snow, that's what the weatherman's promising, so that's my project, and we'll be seeing some more of this thing in the not too distant future. If you guys haven't clicked over and seen my Patreon page yet, I encourage you to go over there and check it out. There's about 70 of you on there right now. I thank every one of you. Have a good evening.